How to log into Alibaba AI Qwen 2.5-Max account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Alibaba AI Qwen 2.5-Max account. The first step is to open up any web browser. Now, search for Qwen, or you can directly head over to chat.qwenlm.ai. Once you get here, click on the login option. Now you want to enter your email address, then enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password in order to reset that. Then click on the login option. You can also log in using your Google account or your GitHub account. Once you click on the login option, it will take some time. And as you can see, you have been successfully logged into your account, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.